Have you ever thought about how those small white grains called urea fertilizer are made, and how they transform barren land into green fields within just a few weeks? This is not just an ordinary fertilizer, but the result of a complete industrial and scientific system involving advanced technology and complex chemical reactions. Behind this process lies human effort, machine power, and science working together in a way that feels almost like a modern miracle. Imagine it's early morning. The sun has not fully risen yet. Inside a large factory, life is already fully active. Everywhere there is the sound of machines, clouds of steam, and workers moving quickly, creating an environment where every second matters. The journey of urea does not begin in soil, but from natural gas brought into the factory. First, this gas is thoroughly purified to remove all unwanted elements. Because in every industrial process, a pure starting point leads to a better final result. From this gas, hydrogen is extracted, which plays a major role in the process. At the same time, nitrogen is separated from the air, another essential element. Now, both gases are prepared for a powerful chemical process. This is the stage where science and risk come together. Inside a high-pressure reactor, hydrogen and nitrogen are combined under extreme conditions. The temperature rises to hundreds of degrees, and pressure reaches extremely dangerous levels. Even a small mistake here can lead to a serious accident. That is why everything is continuously monitored through advanced computer systems. Engineers watch every screen and immediately control every change. After some time, this process produces ammonia. Ammonia is a gas with a strong smell, but it is extremely important in industry. This same gas later becomes the strength of crops and soil fertility. Now ammonia is sent to the next stage of the process. Here, it is mixed with carbon dioxide under a controlled environment. This entire reaction is handled by highly precise systems. As a result, a new compound begins to form. Initially, it appears as a thick liquid. This is not yet final urea, but an intermediate stage. It is further purified and concentrated for the next step. Then, it is sent to a tall granulation tower. From the top of this tower, the liquid is released downward. As it falls, it comes in contact with cold air and starts changing form. This is the moment when liquid starts turning into small, solid granules. The scene looks like artificial rain inside a factory. White particles falling from above create a visually stunning industrial view. But this is not water rain. It is fertilizer that will bring life to the soil. These granules are not fully ready yet because they still contain moisture. To remove moisture, they are sent to large drying machines. Here, hot air is used to slowly remove all remaining moisture. This stage is very sensitive because small mistakes can affect quality. Too much heat can damage the granules, while less heat leaves moisture behind. That is why everything is carefully balanced and controlled. After drying, the granules are cooled to maintain their strength. This cooling process stabilizes their internal structure. Now they move to the screening stage. Here, granules are separated based on size. High-quality granules are selected. Unsuitable ones are sent back for reprocessing, so that nothing goes to waste in the system. Now a special protective coating is applied to the granules. This coating protects them from moisture and environmental damage. It also increases their effectiveness and lifespan. At this point, urea reaches its final finished form. Now only one final stage remains: packaging. Large machines start filling the granules into bags at high speed. Each bag is carefully checked for accurate weight. Every bag is tightly sealed to maintain quality. Workers carefully inspect each package, because for them, this is not just a product, but a farmer's hope. Now these bags are loaded onto large trucks. The trucks leave the factory and begin a long journey. This journey goes from cities to rural villages and farmlands. Finally, it reaches the hands of farmers. Farmers spread it across their fields with hope and expectation. After a few days, the land starts to change. Where there was only dry soil, green color begins to appear. Small plants start emerging from the ground. These plants gradually turn into full crops. This is the moment when farmers see the result of their hard work. Workers in the factory also feel proud watching this transformation. When Ali sees these green fields, he feels a deep sense of satisfaction. He knows his work is changing someone's life. This is not just a factory, but a life-supporting system, where science and humans work together to feed the world. Without this system, agricultural production would drop significantly, and food shortages could become a serious global issue. That is why this industrial process is extremely important for humanity. Every stage is connected and dependent on the next one. It is a continuous system that never stops. Day and night, it produces the foundation of global food supply. Every worker is a vital part of this system. Their effort keeps the entire process running smoothly. Every machine and chemical reaction has a clear purpose. That purpose is to make land fertile again. This is the true power of urea fertilizer. It silently brings life back to the soil. It is the result of science and nature working together, a system that prevents the world from going hungry. Every crop field carries the story of this factory. Every green field is proof of this hard work. It brings life back to the soil again and again, and puts a smile on farmers' faces. This is the real success of the entire process. When human effort and nature combine, the earth truly starts producing life. This is the true power of science, quietly changing the world every day and making human life easier and better. This is not just a story of urea, but a story of life itself. If you liked this video, make sure to like it and share it with others. Comment and tell us where you are watching from and how you liked this episode. Subscribe to our channel Metrixor and turn on the notification bell so you can get updates about new videos instantly.